Are you fasting today? Did you go for Fajr namaz? Has Fajr Adhan time is changed? Will you get me some porridge from mosque? Yesterday I didn't get porridge from mosque. Taraweeh has how many rakats? Did you break your fast? Have you prayed Isha namaz? Is tomorrow Ramadan? Crescent is not sighted, if so tomorrow will be Ramadan. This time will we get 30 fasting or only 29? What time is the Taraweeh namaz? What time is the Ramadan prayer? What's special for today's iftar? I welcome everyone to come home for today's iftar. Wake me up for sahar. What time is the sauni at? Did you purchase new clothes for Ramadan? Ramadan dress looks pretty. Where did you purchase Ramadan dress? Where have you planned to purchase Ramadan dress? No collections are there in that shop. Go to that shop, it has many collections. Have you taken every fast? Are textiles opened? Have you invited your friends for Ramadan? Does anyone come for Ramadan from your office?